Good morning, and welcome to DIY Just Like That channel. My name is Vinny. Today we'll be talking about an update on the previous video for the spare tire hoist repair. And I've had a few of you ask me for an update, so here we go. I hope you enjoy this, and if you do, please go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Spare tire wheel carrier hoist winch repair for any truck, van, or SUV. Again, this is a repair video, not a replacement video update. It was for under $10, but due to inflation, that's changed now to $13. So, yeah, let's get on with it. So, we are now into it 3 years in February since I've made this repair. This repair was on a 2001 Dodge Durango 4x4. And again, it's been 3 years and I've never had an issue with it. It's never gotten loose. I've never had to tighten it. And I've even used the spare tire one time. I do apologize for the bad video, but I'm doing this with my phone. So as you can tell, it's still intact. I did use it one time. And I never did really tighten it up again. I totally forgot about it. It doesn't bounce. You can't even hear it. So as you can see, it has the original rigid steel box, the lock nut, the washers, and the eye bolt still in there. It's intact. And again, it worked perfectly fine. I know this works for other vehicles too, not just this vehicle. It works for vans, SUVs, crossovers, pickup trucks, you name it. Anything that you can use it for, you can use it. So, if you have any questions about this, go ahead and comment on this video or in the previous video too. I'll be linking the original video to this. This is the eye bolt that I used. This is the thimble set that I used. This is the locker nut that I used. This is a 3/8 washer. This is the 7/16 inch washer. This is a quick connect that I used. I found all this at Home Depot. If you have any need for it, you can also order them on Amazon. Again, the prices all totaled up to under $10 before. So prices were for 2020. Now it is for 2023. Unfortunately, inflation hit. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, again, please comment. And please, please, please don't forget to click and subscribe and hit that bell icon for further videos that are coming soon. I have a lot of them. I just haven't had a chance. Thank you so much. Vinny out. And God bless.